Are you looking for the best welding helmets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best welding helmets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Antra AH6-260-0000 welding helmet. The Antra AH6-260-0000 is our best choice product on this list. That's not because we think it's the best welding helmet. If you read on, you'll see some much more advanced options. The reason it's our best choice is that we think most of our readers will be part-time welders. You might be working on an old car at the weekends or fixing some piping. If that's the case, this helmet will definitely do the job. It's a pretty simple and inexpensive option, but it's still high quality and will keep your eyes safe. It's actually pretty packed with technology. Instead of a fixed shade glass window, it has a passive filter that provides permanent UV protection, even when it's turned off. And with the power on it, has auto darkening technology that is super sensitive to different levels of light. The whole helmet turns on and off automatically and is powered by a solar panel and built-in battery. We don't have the space to tell you about every little feature, but we will say that this helmet is more than good enough for welding at home. Make sure you also check our guide to the best safety glasses. Up next in the 4th place is the Lincoln Electric Welding Helmet. The Lincoln Electric Black Welding Helmet is a sturdy and durable safety work helmet that also has a lightweight form. Made with a thick plastic, it can withstand the uncertainties of the welder's workshop, holding form regardless of what's dropped on it. This promotes comfort during work hours since it's designed to suit the welder's needs and rugged work environment. The weight is well distributed and the helmet sits well on the neck, adding less weight without any extra pressure, whether you're working for a short period of time or almost round the clock. This solar-powered helmet will keep operations going smoothly, even when the batteries are low. The auto-darkening lenses are perfect for the different lights flying around during welding and clearly show the exact color hues of the base material, arc, and the puddle. It doesn't really matter if you work inside or outside. The easily adjustable modes work great for bright and clear viewing as well as dimmed viewing during more intense applications. The greatest advantage to the Lincoln Electric helmet has to be the amazing optical clarity it provides, unmatched by most competing brands. The 3rd product on our list is the Deko Pro solar-powered welding helmet. If you're looking for something a bit better for your hobby welding needs, check out the Deko Pro solar-powered welding helmet. It's still not a professional standard welding helmet, but it's a great price and has passed all of the safety certs it needs for you to put your trust in it. It's got auto-darkening technology that goes dark in 0.4 seconds, which means you don't have to wait for it to fire up. Plus, you are always protected from UV and UV, even if it turns off, not that it should. It's also got a decent-sized viewing area at 7 square inches. You should have a great view of whatever you're working on. You can manually adjust the sensitivity to make sure it's perfect for the type of welding you're doing. Of course, this requires a bit of practical knowledge of how bright you should have the lens. To sum up, this is a pretty high-quality option for hobbyist welders. It's lightweight, comfortable, has a great battery, and will protect your eyes, and also makes a perfect DIY gift for your loved ones. 2nd on our list is the Esab Sentinel A50 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Esab Sentinel A50 welding helmet is the best helmet on this list. They've designed it to look like something out of the Halo games, which makes it seem like so much more than a welding helmet. But it's not just a pretty face. The technology underneath sets it apart from all of the other welding helmets on here. The wide visor is a big change. It gives you a much bigger field of view than the mail slot style helmets of old. Plus, it's easy to swap out if you need to change it. It's got a handy little grind button on the outside of the helmet, so you don't have to take the helmet completely off if you're switching from welding to grinding. But the biggest advancement in technology has to be the LCD touchscreen inside. It makes changing the settings much easier, and it even comes with some presets, so you don't have to program it yourself. Other features include a 4-strap system to give you the perfect fit on your head. Plus, it's designed to be low profile, which means that it barely sticks out above your head when you lift the cap up. In short, this is the best welding helmet out there, but it's also a lot more expensive. If you're doing some serious welding, this is definitely the product for you. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best cordless impact wrenches. Finally, the top product on our list is the Jackson Safety 46131 welding helmet. Now, we're getting into the more professional quality welding helmets. The Jackson Safety 46131 welding helmet is more suited to the regular welder that is going to use their helmet all the time. It basically has the same technology as a cheaper auto darkening welding helmet. You control the shade of the lens using the auto darkening filter to manually adapt to different working environments. Plus, it has 2 main modes, grind and weld, which make it easy to find the perfect setting for the type of welding you're doing. One of the main differences with this helmet is the quality. Everything on the helmet feels much sturdier, and it's CSA compliant and compliant with ANSI Z87 1+ standards. This is important if you're working in a professional setting, because your company will have to adhere to these safety regulations. This is one of the best professional level welding helmets you can get for this price. It's lightweight, durable, easy to operate, and you can put your complete trust in it to protect your eyes from potentially damaging sparks. Love this product? Check out our review of the best soldering kits for our top picks. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.